gonna fuck you up. Hey y'all, welcome to another day in NIYY'S life. So look, as you can tell by the title, today I am doing a prank. Oh my god, this is my first prank. And it's early. I still got bags in my eyes and everything. Like, it's 8:35 right now. So if y'all don't know, Ida, Positive Ida, she's on Instagram and TikTok. So I'm actually traveling to go do her lashes. And so I'm like, I've been wanting to do this prank, but I want to do it on somebody that y'all familiar with. So I just feel like it's gonna be so lucky. Like, me and Ida cool, we hung out before, and like I do her lashes all the time. So oh, if you don't know, my bad, it's in the title, but I'm doing a sneeze prank. So I do lashes, and then when I sneeze, I'm gonna spray this water on her. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up right now and then show y'all like how I'm gonna do it. So it's filled with water. This is the spray bottle, and then you take it off, and I'm gonna be like, bro, I'm so goofy. I might really laugh, but I'm gonna try to keep my composure. So I'll be like, achoo, and spray her with the water when I sneeze. So I'm traveling to her. I'm trying to figure out if I want to do it like towards the end of me doing her, like finishing up her lashes, or like the beginning, because it's the morning lights and she be going to sleep. So I'm gonna try to, I don't want to wake her up from her sleep, but she might be even more mad. Okay, I'm gonna figure it out as I'm driving up there. But so yeah, I just wanted to come on here and do the little intro. So this is what I'm gonna do, and then I'm just gonna tell her like I'm vlogging, or I'm doing like a day in my life, and I'm trying to get footage like when I'm recording her lashes. So I'm gonna see if she can have like a little setup for me, because she be having like a ring light. So I'm gonna see if she can hook it up for me without knowing that I'm doing a prank on her. Like, she not gonna think that I'm doing a prank on her. She gonna think I'm recording for my lash business or whatever. I don't know how she's gonna react, and y'all just gonna see her reaction. So I'm gonna record when I get there, and like I'm be like, put her in the camera, be like, oh hey y'all, I'm vlogging, whatever. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. Alright y'all, so I'm here in the parking garage. I gotta talk fast. I think she's sending somebody down here to help me with the table, the lash table, to bring upstairs. So I'm gonna just start recording. I'm not really gonna like introduce her or whatever. I'm gonna just start the prank, and yeah. So yeah, I'll see y'all when I start. Cheers. Okay y'all, so look. Oh wait, did you want to be in it?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so I'm with Ida.
You gotta turn this way to get the lighting.
Okay.
Turn this.
Y'all know this her profession, so she know what to do. So I'm just about to record her lashes. Y'all gonna see that. And
period.
Yeah.
Yep. Bald eagle to whatever. She's finna do her thing.
So where you think I should put this at?
Look, I gotta get everything ready.
I already know you about to do now.
Not. I was gonna make no comments if my mouth is open.
Shit you just don't do. Fuck out some comments. Fuck out some comments, yeah. Fuck out some comments. Fuck out some comments, yeah. 100,000 to 100,000. 100,000 on 100,000. 100,000, 500,000. $1 million is how money shout. Fuck out some comments. Fuck out some comments, yeah. Fuck out some comments. Fuck out some comments, yeah. 100,000 to 100,000. 100,000 on 100,000. 100,000, 500,000. $1 million is how money shout. Fuck out the lumber. I'm hot like a sauna, yeah. The burner is on me. Can't play with that money, yeah. I'm fucking with something. I'm loving the way that she fucking me, yeah. Get no fucks, yeah. We don't get no fucks, yeah. Throw my cup, yeah. I just bought my plug, yeah. Full of the mud, yeah. Nigga full of them drugs, yeah. Feeling real right, yeah. I'm on the same thing as Mike, yeah. Ball of ice, yeah. Wanna beat that door like ice, yeah. Let's fuck out some comments, yeah. Let's fuck out some comments, yeah. Let's fuck out some comments, yeah. 100,000 to 100,000. 100,000 on 100,000. 100,000, 500,000. $1 million is how one shot. Fuck out the lumber. I'm hot like a sauna, yeah.
My fault, bro. Ain't that on you? Alright. You keep crazy. Alright, I'm done. No fucking back. She fakes these on me. I'm never pranking again. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm terrible at it. This is. Wait, let me open your eye. Alright, y'all. Yeah, I'm done. Was that good? Let me just stop playing and do her lashes for real, for real. Y'all, first of all, she laughed. Like, what are you doing?
It was funny. It was really funny.
I was really expecting you, like, I don't even know.
I'm sorry, it was funny. I was like, I know she just sprayed, bro.
Okay,
It was a shoe. I was like,
that fake ass laugh. That fake ass sneeze, bro. She got this tape on her eye, so let me go ahead and finish doing her lashes. Then I'm gonna show y'all the after.
if she tried to prank me again, I swear to God, I'm gonna start prank wording this bitch.
No, I'm done.
She's gonna get hurt.
No, I'm done. I'm done. All right, y'all. So I'm finished. Oh wait, the music.
Copyrights.
Right. All right. So I'm finished. I did a little pink.
Yeah, you said pink. Yeah, you Pink Friday.
Yeah.
Period. Yeah, because you were, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so how you feel about the prank? The failed prank. Did you know?
No, I did not know. Well,
I
actually, no, I did know because you're not gonna sneeze on nobody. But it was extremely funny because she said I chew, and it was just like,
yeah, it was
do not sneeze like that.
Yeah.
When she sneezes, she has many heart attacks. She was like,
not many heart attacks.
it's okay. I'm gonna get my get back. You think you safe? I'm telling you, one of these days I'm gonna catch you lacking, and you're gonna think it's for real. Yes.
She was not expecting that. You was not expecting that.
I had my eyes closed.
Y'all, and she was doing so good when I opened her. She was trying so hard. I'm
She had me so fucked up. She said,
Bro.
shoot. Oh my God, did he get up? What do you mean did he get
Y'all,
up?
first of all, I was so scared. I was like, bro, I was shaking like, nah, she about to hit me or something. I started laughing.
I'm blind. I can't see.
Bro.
She had full control of my lashes, guys. She knew to catch me when I was not at my moment.
For sure. I definitely did.
No, that was evil. That was fucked up, okay? I'm just letting you know you're a fucked up person. And you're going to hell.
You still love me though. So y'all, I'm done. Y'all seen the before and after. Well, really the after. Before, but epic fail on a prank, but it's okay.
Yeah, epic fail.
It's okay. No, not too much.
Yes,
not too much.
Yes, the most L's, carrying L's out here.
Not too much.
It's okay.
All right. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video.